For motion, Mama I content media, and yen Mr. Frank Opare Sarpong, and I Mampong the shape Racope, and then yen better commodity the Alpha Mampong, Nankazana Brabo Hawa, Mampong so, or no Waku Square, the actually now Junimon Deng, the Deng Sally between ya, the Bebra Mampong, and yeah, virtually Mampong, Comana, ya baby binti. Akrabia Bokode,
Anyamiado Minia.
oh, Mapa watch it.
So
Watch a pie, and then no carry the Yamia say, she out. Akura, Bacha, Ura Frank Sapon, or him.
you, Minia, very Mamadawasi. In fact, by me more about what you man away and so many. I'm getting says I also know some Mampong any and I'm Ghana for in general. You know, to me, about say, Cosona, yeah, men paba. You know, yeah, can Franco Paris Sapon. Or yeah, a brand to be. Na shasa no in fact na abrabo no nkoye to be frank wo me wo Mampong Akuapem ha ya Mampong Akuapem me mama na me papa nyinara efikrom ha me mama obi anim no ne ye frɛ no ante amasi Josephine Asi entry wanya ne baby ekɔ I think around 2005 yes me papa nso fi Mampong krom ha ya ofi amakrado abusuam ye frɛ no Dio Sarpong. Yeah, honestly, any baby call around 2012. Yeah, until me na one me janka. Yeah. Come ha near enkwafo bebre ni mu no din a what tied from na Kwame Sarpong. Until we can Franco Paris Sarpong be bi mo adwem kesen ni kakra. Yeah, Kwame Sarpong na what any mo Mampong Akuapem hanom. Yo. Me started me school Mampong Methodist. Mampong Methodist from primary school. But my main way, me call center, so when obituary. Yes, me call center kakra.
Okay.
Me phone me call Mampong Methodist. Nti Mampong Methodist me call ya Akuapem DHS 3. Nti ho na me wie ya. Yes, me wie 1994. Yes, me 94 year group. Yeah, me wie no na me tua so e call secondary school. E wo Ebri Sectec. Every Presby Secondary Technical. Yes, near Tafra ho Amanfo. Yes, Honso me wie no me call no 1995 and me wie no 97. Yes, 97 no me wie no na brabo no enye easy say na me di kankan no. Yes, ashase na enye easy na me ma me no obi a nsefu na no ton. Ya no ton nsefu wa keep one thing kofu bebre ni mo. Na brabo no me ye dinara. Enya dey say me di sie because Mampomfo enemy ara eye. Me wie secondary school 1997. Now say me tena fie for good 1 year. Me require construction work company bi e wa Accra. Na construction company. Na enye easy. Sabe. So be kwa na me so bi mu da na me abant me wie secondary school na say me require construction work na it wasn't easy at all, but we managed it. So me adwuma 1 year. Oh me feel no na I think say adwuma no beguye. Yes, adwuma no guye. And nti me kɔhwehwɛ adwuma foforo ɛwɔ restaurant bi na ɛwɔ airport ye for air roaster. Yeah, air roaster. Na himya bi na operate ye air roaster and then London restaurant. Ɛwɔ airport wɔ pɛ. Also me ye adwuma wɔ hɔ no ɛkyɛ. Nti me ye adwuma bɛyɛ 1 year no na me ka kyerɛ owner ne say to be frank me need just metua me school so. When we use can fee 1 year to 2 years. I mean, just said met you school, so I need to know the catch on us with G2 and I met forms, training college, POSEC, met forms, and I made a call PTC, a coupon, Akuapem, PTC, says your friend, Presby College of Education. Me remember the year 1999, yes, 99, and me, 2002. Now, training college, you know, would do with 3rd year. You'll be a friend of teaching practice. Yes, now teaching practice and more than me call association. I want to call me teaching practice association. Yeah, the honey could be 1 year, and then in out. Till be the 1 year crowd outstation. Now they are with teaching practice. Yes, until and I make question at the man do Chrome association. Me a friend, Mr. Frank Champon. no company we friend Fakor Limited. Now one and one year street lights. Yeah, ne office na wo Accra, I think Nima Honum baby. Yeah, no you be a office yes your Akuapem Honum na obua krom ho youth ni. Yes, nti me koye teaching practice honum no. Na me hu ni say na youth no omo skills training center. Na me book compo de show me achi say Mampong kro kese ya wo honum yi kro ayo sanka etumi nya bibi sa but na me hu bi. And into no me yes maybe some iye na o ma kire me okwan won so fa so a o mutumi do some pempen so no. Yeah, they were organized. In fact, the youth were organized. It's maybe some no mo kire me some pempen bi and then ebo am. Yeah, and pempen no ba kudi na ma bon your friend Frank a champion. Oh, yes, also the Franks and I'm some the Frank. We do assist so if you know we left we are acronym. Yeah, and me feel no na me say no, and na Mampong so I will say yes to me. Enya bibi sa nti me betel Mampong Youth Club. Mampong Youth Club. I remember me buy no that time na manchine when yan baby ko ordinary of fay ni di no ni full name na me we fikaka na of fay. And then Mampong hene that time the friend na otu pabi ono so ye ko hu no. Na osofo asensu no e method sofo ono so wanya ne baby ko no or ye method sofo Mampong onya accident na ofim ya nti me ko to mani mo so ya adepa so o mo na actually o motivate me na me try so edit Mampong Youth Club. Mampong Youth Club in fact e be gina ye inauguration Mampong hene ma yen center obitre portion of the place say yen renovate one na ka yen fan skills training center. Yes, hene no ya there at that time or supporting nti ye the letter come then MP Honorable Kwelabi. Yes, and also support yen with I think 3 packets of roofing sheet in and then cement 100 bags of cement. Yeah, as na a part of MP's common fund. Yeah, and you know now assembly no na was anko release sa no no edemayen at that time na Honorable Eugenia Dankwa-Quest MC when you be ko Dr. Eugenia Dankwa-Quest. Yes, on no MC ono so ko hu no na you know edu baby na say na politics ya bem kakra nti obe say so be releasing your man no amaye no wan fa amaye na wo mu ho na wo mo transfer me I mean yam posting e ba ye no wo de me call Takwa.
Oh wow.
Yes, ntina me kocha de e wo Takwa for I think almost 1 year to 2 years. Yeah. Ntina mami jai youth club no ho e ko ye. By the time me say baba kan no na Nyoma Nkoya jai say na association na perform. I think say me be say mo no na wo say you know as a leader no me na me lead there no na the tini ni ho no na say send almost expect say Nyoma be connect kosa and then people began to leave. So that's how come a good year. To me kocha there wo Takwa Takwa Awudua to be precise. Takwa Awudua. Yes, I hear tobacco farmers in Chrome. Yes, I want to make a there. Now it wasn't easy. Abrabo na easy honum. Just say the honum might develop, but that time they na anticipate any. Say me did 1 year to 2 years. One na me feel na me deba in koko. Koko Awudua. Sorry, in koko Suboni race. Me feel Awudua no na me ba in koko Suboni race. Yes, that was I think 2003, 2004 thereabouts. In koko Awudua. Kocha there once by 3 years. Awudua Islamic School. Awudua sorry. Suboni race Islamic School. Suboni race. Yes, Islamic School. Me did 3 years one and me feel na me ba Accra so me try there Mercy Islamic Madina Japan Motors area ho so me try for 3 years me feel no no na me go school ko diploma course Legon ya ti me wie no na me ko adwuma Legon me nya adwuma Legon yes nti Legon na my adwuma for from that time I think 2009 up to now. Yes. Anyway, you know, I'm saying call Winneba. Me degree course. Yes. ena yɛde ne nema brabɔ na yɛde ne nema na nya bedum pempensu a me medui
Okay.
nti krom ha de minim hanum yie na hanum anso na metena ye me mo frase abetpem enne bi o mini krom ha menti krom ha permanently but betaba yes
Growing up in Mampong as abofra at least during those times you were near maybe I didn't say one I say baby abobo if you chiri wo mami za wo chiri wo
oh any the abofra bia yeah bobi pa
chiri park be na wo Mampong wo kai pa
oh sa time no na ebi wo Opete Park
wo Opete Park
ma bobo Opete Park
okay
pen ena na me mo frase no yete Methodist school mo outside
okay
na yeta ko Methodist school nso ko bo and then Adompore nso Adompore pramano so hono etumi ko bo bi ho hono na emia ho yeah
and the international player
oh be maybe a local player be a local player
yamra say Mampong ya abofra those times we dey nga okwafu na afum ko no so night then we abofra okwafu ana was the time they make me kwafu ya no obum na ne yeko what time na wo na mo dem na mo kwafu ya ana say bia na mo kwafu ai bana na mo
hey minua we dey oba be ka me areho abrabo that's life me abofra no to be frank I remember say na me na bia na yeta kwafum amanfo
okay
amanfo na me abofra pa no na yekwafum na me pagya kakra no na fe yekwafum wo baby ya from chredi
you
ena obom
yes
ena Methodist achiwo Methodist school no achiwo baby ewia bi ho no be din na me refi kakra Brumaso yes Brumaso yes and then wahu sokore gwaso
you
ho no nyina ena ejenu ejenu ne ya wasase ho no na I remember some time ago ye ko ho no se menena bi fi mu na wasi enkofa aduane and fi wamra na ye ba no masa na
you show aka
show wan man kasa bro she da hwe an kasa chese obrei pa efe yentumi mfunu na popo na nya nse gina ho no mse otu na ye oh na hu ana nya ma dan gu baby
oh
you know it wasn't easy but ni nyina no na ye wo arishemu say that bi no nyama be yi ama yen because yenim say ye mo frase abrabo I mean ye be film for some time and then at a certain point no unyi enye de bia na obekwa fu so na I don't know you take consolation from it say a time will come things will change and definitely things have changed and they the mekwa fu maname na me pese meko nobody can force me yes so that is it
maybe so say growing up in Mampong at that time NCC what has changed what has been the changes I would do near about ABI time I was 17 18 19 20 21 22 coming in Mampong NCC looking at how Mampong is that age it's Sayabana
it's a kind of aba
okay
it's a kind of aba no so it's unfortunate say I have to say it it's unfortunate say and Sakrano is a negative one, not a positive in Sakai or not a positive change. It's a negative change. Maybe I come here to be an Rahu because me share yem rantene yem babana womo Mampong krum hanomano. Me nkasi wonyina but I mean who share the percentage na what do we share in ruboni enom we normally niama basa ye ni ade no how adwen ye because me yen time no me nyin bebre say but yen time no it wasn't so me during our time no metima catch you say metima identify nipa be 5 pe na one we o Mampong and then come hands no be anim say fie we and fie we na say nipa we na we unya branch unhu say yeah one unhu and I say be abakon if yourself you open over say one week and no be any yeah but now who na ma say be share boys na bebe o say be wan adwen kwa say nya adwuma o ma well between the fountain on we and fan and it is a very bad precedent yeah set the next generation metuma ka say me de subon bi be ma ye mpanyifo yes ya hemfo a wo mo Mampong Akuapem krom and me nsuro na meka ya hemfo na wo mo ha no I think say wo mo ye one factor me mfa subon nyina ma wo na but wo mo ye one factor and then the security service the police almost another factor because I remember some time ago now your police phone be one cramp or one so no we be an all day o me wo mo boa kroma phone na wo mo no we say ba say wo mo ti wo mo kwa kwato no wo mo pese wo mo kwato ma na wo mama tip off say enei oba be soup wo baby am wo no na wo madwane so security phone so become and then again make us say so social media is also another factor social media yeah you see social media you want the positive side that would take let's say 70%, but the negative side only have 30%. But the mofrano is the 30% negative aspect of it. Yes, and one day you my bonnie. Yeah, be about your friend shisha or say that then a bit the red and cookie or cocaine. They're not just I graduate but it's not the best. I didn't think I have before was so. Me mami ka be sa se me fa we twom me abofo na baby a me tatena no ye baby na we no for sa nipa 5 na me ka no baby na wo so water atena because brona na me wo mu no na ho na wo pretty na etre bia na I mean medidi awi as a young small boy and as a young boy no medidi awi no na me fifie na jama kwotena kwa me se me hwekrum na that area na so no won so wo ye sa ne ma no tina me mame na o wayem hyepa say baby a okotena me ni nyi ba me so no as a young boy no na bibi anim atwe sa that say me the week raba kama no ana me disgrace raba kama no da yes but me kotena ho no na me hwe cars na me hwe krom adesa ma ba fie no ma den ma beda do na ma me yem hyehyɛ no but me assure no say me I'm not like that and I don't have interest in those things and mind you or I mean mami kan tell say man fa sabis garret crying then and come on that wow na kan to say makono we and I say those drugs I read in the kikawa bi an come on that me namfa me no mo nam nyina no bi enu a e bi kan ano yeah namfa na yeta pe krom kopa yes and me ko secondary school camp o ma me no nam na be na no we but e bi an come on that so me nka say obi nso kwa na say obi na mo fra no so ano sabi wo mo ni self control na awofo no so e kan obi me kan mama awofo din but awofo no so e part 100% obu a sabi ne ba e nkwasiade na ne neighbor e kan ana say wako se ne ba kwa bibi bone wo ba bi na wo report ma na ne buafu ba me mama de on tisa me mama amesi so obeti se ne ba ye kwasiade bo so ya obi ana say onum sgareta na bibi wo ba bi na kwa babona ma na say sample and it's other no one na fio ade ode be ye wono ntino awofo no so can be so they should take the blame.
Okay. So if you are to point out solutions, what solutions are you going to do or are you going to propose?
Solution the American said the parents should be responsible. Okay. Awofo nanom ne ajanom they should be responsible. Awofo baby na wani nko wo ma no ho nyame ho ne say ne ba emia no emma mpoja wotumi ko ni kaka na ma no de che o wie DHS na so ko secondary school dia na awofo no ho ne say I say we graduate I mean we university we SHS no na just say offer ne say we university this I say order obesho no de na tua so no I mean so one pass crampa wo de mane nkoya remedial say remedial so kran so nkoya wo de fa ne kosua adwuma no nyansa no adwuma no nye o ye babarema o wie secondary school na say wo hwe na ade sua no nkoya ni ma fa ne kosua adwuma say refrigeration air condition I mean carpentry masonry those kind of things mane kosua no nyansa no adwuma bi no fa nye adwuma but say wo ja no sa no ne na mo na go fa no say o hu say that be e wo homa no and as in the future anya clear man na odi aye sebe sanomene we nomene ne akeka ho ebi asika ne bottom wa awofo no so ya because papa ne mo no sebe onya adwuma nti no ma abofra no so bi so ne ameka ne say the parents should be responsible I say wo show bana kodun pempensu a ono so be nsabe so bi ma oye ansa na wa inside den afi no ho aha afi no so na say wo ja ne saa and then again ahemfo no so they should be up and doing to be frank himfo should be up and doing me nkesa himfo no so wo nyina menim ohimia ba ko nana zi jabo himia na akobia himia no I think no jabo himia say wo ma ye na akobia himia she's a very nice nice person, a very educated person. I mean you may do how it is and naturally I me feeling the frustration about certain things ekoso e wo kuro no and he's one person I think say aka himfo nyina to me emulating in posture in terms of I mean how I thought in your massy and then how I reacted to issues and then how I attended to issues now. I think that it will help. My main sanka way, matter say chrono bonso koso Mampong hapa me have finances. By me can say we no many are drugs now mfano taking and also na lead one to san yeah any results on anything our phone should be responsible and then that him phone should also be responsible and then the police should also do their work diligently without fear or favor so abofane ya de na chino na twena so yes one chum no one chum so now one kasan so police phone na tip off say oba chum oba be say so they should stop put an end to it and then my last afutu no e come but before that my main can asofo no so yan asofo no yes we preach was sorry them now our bible moon seminar but you know we should also look at the practical aspect of it and what can you seminar chira yeah now mom the practical aspect no mama yan show and yan express o ma na wa ye program bi sensitization program bi outreach program wow now mo friend mo no ma kasa na yan sa na mo so mo jawo na de bia mo dwen say wo be ba sorry them no wa be I mean wa be som saa kekede a bebre na wa bonten a on nyame asem kra won ye den won tie so I mean they should do outdoor programs and then empowerment programs yes almost skills training in idea and sorry between aye presby methodist say individual churches in kwana be I mean they should come together and then set up a skills training center no my idea say omabua schools ni bi but they can do more yes and then not me person make us be before say when yes mo frana nkasa nso o ye abranti na asababa na wasiso na wo Mampong ha no me ka che on say yan mu bi yan start say be beto yan nuanom a wo yan panyefo ansa na yan yeba na yan yeba no esane ni ye pa na say abrabo pa na yan nuanom no eda ne de no yan so ye muleti anything a message ne say one a wo hospital kan generation no wo mo hwe abrabo na wo nuanom panyefo no na wo mo bon because na yan ko do say be ko school ye ko do say be sua nsanodwuma ye ko do say be bibi so eno na ye say wo focus na wonum wi na wo bokro no wo ye niama ensene mfata wo ye wadwen say wo mu mpanyefo ne ade a wo say wan kasa wa brabo wo say wa brabo so they should put an end to all those things